Hello everyone and welcome to the Blaze Imports YouTube channel. My name is Alan and today we're going to be talking about the new Losi Bog Hog. Okay, let's get an inside look of the Bog Hog. This model did come with integrated red LEDs for the headlights. Here we have the side view of the entire model with the hinge system open. We've taken the liberty of switching out to the DX5C to increase performance and functionality. Here's the underside of the frame to show the ease of access of the main diff. Here we have an overlook of everything open with the new hinge system. We really liked how this model came with the clear Lexan plates for the chassis to show all the sponsors. Here we have the Spektrum 2800 kV to give it its raw power. This model did come with a Firma 130 amp ESC. This model does come equipped with IC5 leads for smart batteries, as well as the S614S high torque servo with metal spline. Here we have the scale DD Patty tires with the 2.6 chromoly wheels mounted on 6 lug hubs. And as you can see, this thing is ridiculous when it comes to power. Here the battery tray gives you two different options for batteries. Anodized gray shocks. Here we've taken the body off of the chassis to show all the internals. You can use the LMT monster truck bodies with this model. You just need to make minor adjustments for the LMT bodies. Here we have the scale driver. And the trucker's motto. Alright, and we went ahead and tested out the vehicle to show how tough this thing really is. Did a few flips, rolled it a few times. This thing is fairly tough. I did like the plus suspension to help keep it, planted on the ground. I would probably recommend widening it a little bit to actually keep it from rolling, but other than that, it is a very strong truck, and I do plan on upgrading it soon. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed today's video on the new Team Losi Bog Hog and King Sling Mega Trucks. If you like today's episode, you can always like, comment, and subscribe on the channel, and always hit that notification button. I'll see you later.